Sophora Queen is actually a multivitamin complex that is made for perimenopausal and menopausal support. So as you can see, it is designed specifically such that we can actually consume it 4 tablets a day. And I really love Atomy's health supplement because they are so convenient, such that we don't have excuses to say that we forgot to take our health supplement, because we can just simply put this in our bags and just go on with our daily routine. So as I mentioned, Sophora Queen is mainly for perimenopausal and menopausal. But first, we need to understand the physiology of menopause. So for us women, we actually have 2 main hormones. The first one would be estrogen and the second one would be progesterone. So for menopause, there is actually a reduction in both our hormones, and that's why there is actually an imbalance. So for perimenopausal, as you can see in the graph over here, perimenopausal, there is a decrease in the estrogen levels to up to 30 to 40%. And for the progesterone, there is a decrease in the level to up to 99%. And these are ages between 35 to 60. Then as you can see, for menopausal stage as well, there is a reduction in both the hormones. But what is the effect and what exactly are these hormones? So let's talk about estrogen first. So estrogen actually helps to stimulate the breast tissue growth. It helps with our preservation of our bones. And secondly, I would like to talk about our progesterone and what it is for. So progesterone actually helps to prepare our lining of the uterus for the fertilized egg to actually maintain the early pregnancy. So what are the effects when there is a reduce in the estrogen and the progesterone? So with, like I mentioned, estrogen helps with bone preservation, right? That's what I said. So with a reduction in the estrogen, we can actually have side effects such as bone loss, and many a times menopausal women feels hot flashes or fatigue and insomnia and so on and so forth. So that is the reason why Sophora Queen is really very important, and I'll explain that through our ingredients later. So Sophora Queen, now we will go into the ingredients of Sophora Queen. But what is Sophora japonica? Basically, Sophora japonica is a plant. And Sophora japonica, actually, there is a research article that said that they actually tried to test whether those women that consume Sophora japonica fruit, whether there is a reduction in the menopausal symptoms. And true enough, in 12 weeks, they actually verbalized that there is a reduction in the menopause symptoms. So now let's go directly into the ingredients that are in our Sophora Queen. So the first ingredient is our Sophora japonica extract, and this actually helps to support perimenopausal and menopausal symptoms. The second one is soy isoflavones. So soy isoflavones is actually helps to preserve our bone health, and this is very important because with the reduce in the levels of estrogen, the soy isoflavones can actually help with this. The third ingredient that I would like to talk about is our gamma-linolenic acid. So gamma-linolenic acid actually helps with circulation and to balance our cholesterol levels as well. So there is also 3 very important vitamins that is in our Sophora Queen, and they are vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Vitamin D is very important for our bone absorption. So the next vitamin is vitamin E. Vitamin E actually helps to protect cells from oxidizing. The last one is vitamin K. Vitamin K is well known for its role of blood circulation. So these 3 vitamins are also very important. So Atomy actually also added 6 different types of inactive ingredients. We as consumers really need to study the inactive ingredients, because these inactive ingredients for other health supplements, they are usually preservatives or dyes that are added into the health supplement. But for Atomy is really very transparent, and they actually tell us what are the inactive ingredients that are in our Sophora Queen. So for these 6 ingredients, Angelica gigas extract, ginkgo leaf extract, and also our turmeric helps with maintaining our hormones. So it actually helps with the imbalance of the hormones. And as we know, there is also pomegranate, and pomegranate is extremely good for hydration. So I really trust Atomy because of how transparent they are with their inactive ingredients. So like I mentioned, it is individually packed, so it's very easy for us to take. And as you can see, the capsules are very small, so it helps with, it allows us to consume it very easily. So one box of this Sophora Queen it has actually 120 capsules, and if we consume 4 a day, it will be 3 months supply. So one box costs $49. So for Atomy's health supplement, they are really so convenient for us. It is individually packed, so we really do not have the excuse to say that we forgot to take our health supplement today because of how busy we are. This is the reason why I really love Atomy's health supplement. I can simply just put them in my bag and just carry on with my busy daily schedule.